Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to patch a Debian server, a step-by-step process. Keeping your Debian system updated is essential for security, stability, and performance. Whether you are a Linux beginner or a seasoned system administrator, this guide will show you everything you need to know, from checking for updates and applying patches to rebooting safely and even automating the entire process. Let's dive in and make sure your server stays protected and running. What you will learn in this episode, I'll guide you on how to check for available updates, how to apply patches using apt, when and how to reboot after patching. And also in the bonus session, I'll guide you through the process of automating updates using unattended upgrades. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, I'll log into my Linux server, Ubuntu 20.4 as Vagrant. Alright, and I'm in. So I've logged in and I would switch to gain root privilege, which is sudo -i. So I'm in as root. So let me check for the system current version. Okay. Okay, so we have Ubuntu 20.04. Alright, so we've checked that. And mind you, before carrying out patch updates, it's recommended that you do a full backup. You back up the entire server before patching the system. Don't just run a patch without first backing up your system. So now we'll proceed. We're going to say apt updates. So I updated the local package list. It's still in progress. Alright, so it's done. So I'll upgrade the list, the local package list now. I'll upgrade it with this command. Alright, so I just execute that. Okay, so it only listed 3 packages. In a production environment, please go through these packages and ensure they are the ones that you want to update. Alright, okay. Next, we will patch the system now. Okay, so we're going to carry out a comprehensive upgrade, and that is the kernel and major dependencies will be patched. Okay, so to do that, we use apt full dash upgrade -y. So that's in progress. So when this is done, we'll reboot the server. All right, so it's done. So let's reboot the server. Let's type reboots. So the server will reboot. Okay, the system is up now. So I'll log in as Vagrant. Okay, me now. And then I'll just switch to root. Okay, so I'll just check again. I'll update the local package list just to reconfirm that everything is fine. Everything should be fine because we did a full upgrade. So let's see. All right, so zero package upgraded. So as I said, everything should be fine. All right, so that done. Let's check the system kernel. Okay, the version is still the same, and you can check the uptime. I'll just check the top. Check your services that are running. Everything looks fine. Okay, can exit this. So Q is to exit the top session. Okay, I control L. So we have successfully patched our server. So successfully we've patched our server. So it's always good. It's a good thing to regularly carry out a patch on your system, right? On your server. So to avoid any form of vulnerabilities. So a lot of people may not understand what patching is. In layman's, let me explain it in a layman's language. Now, you have Android phone. Sometimes when you expose your Android phone to the internet, you get a prompt or a pop-up asking you or prompting you to carry out an update. That is also a patch, all right? You're patching or you are upgrading your app like WhatsApp to upgrade it to a newer version. That's a patch you're performing on that device. So the reason for that is for security purpose, and for better functionality. Okay, all right. So I guess here we have successfully patched our system. And please like the video, subscribe for more Linux admin contents, drop a comment with questions or suggestions. Thank you for watching.